Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jane. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Happy New Year, and I hope you all had an amazing celebration. So on my channel this year, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to sew from scratch. For those of you that are handy like me, stay tuned as I put you through how to do just a few things here and there yourself at home. I believe everybody should be able to sew themselves. It doesn't have to be you sewing a full dress, but then you should be able to fix your button yourself. You should be able to sew your loose stitch yourself, and just have a small tabletop machine at home where you can just do a few things, try on a few things yourself. And that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching you how to do. So if you're interested, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video, share, and then subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.